What does it take to set Perkins students up for success? A lot more than you might think.
Students walk on campus and study independently in groups and with teachers.
Children with disabilities need highly trained teachers and specialized instruction starting at birth, so they can learn how to access their world in the way that's best for them. At Perkins, we see what our kids can do, not what they can't. So every part of a student's day is made accessible for them to create every possible learning opportunity. Things like learning how to use your senses efficiently, navigating with a white cane, using adaptive technology to communicate. These are just a few examples. It's all about building confident, resilient kids who can define their own success.
A woman works in an office, a toddler plays at home, a graduate processes in cap and gown.
Because we believe every child can learn, and we need your help to make it happen. Help us empower more kids. All you have to do is believe in them.
A boy swipes an iPad.
Get involved by visiting perkins.org.